Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to underline text in Adobe Acrobat. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of not only how to add underlines, but also the best method for your particular workflow, whether you want to edit the actual PDF text or simply annotate for review. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about using the Edit PDF tool. This method is perfect if you want to make permanent changes to the document's text itself, not just markups or comments. Just a quick heads up, you'll need the paid version of Adobe Acrobat Pro for this feature, since free versions don't let you actually change the text on a PDF. So if you're working with an important contract, a report draft, or any file that will be shared or printed later, this is the method you'll want to use. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Take a moment here, let the program load the document, and check that you've opened the correct version, just to avoid any mix-ups. Once it's open, look for the Tools tab at the very top. Click there, and you'll see a whole bunch of options. Find and select Edit PDF. It's right there with a little pencil icon, and choosing it will switch you into editor mode. You'll notice the interface changes slightly, giving you new options all around your document. Now, with the Edit tool activated, go ahead and use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the text you want to underline. Maybe it's a title, a key term, or an important phrase that needs emphasis. Take your time on this step. If you accidentally select a bit too much or too little text, just unselect and try again. Precision here ensures your underline looks professional and neat. Once you've got your text selected, check out the toolbar that appears, usually on the right-hand panel. Among the formatting icons, look for a U with a line underneath it, the underline symbol. Click on this icon. Instantly, you'll see the selected text take on that classic underline formatting. This is now part of the actual text. So if you print the PDF or share it electronically, anyone who views it will see your changes exactly as intended. That's why, for official corrections or presentations, using this method really matters. Before you close out, remember to save your document. Click File, then hit Save. It's a good habit to do this even after a small edit, because you never want to lose your work over something as simple as a system glitch or a power outage. Now, if you're after a quicker way, or maybe you just want to annotate rather than make lasting changes, let me show you a keyboard shortcut that works in either Comment or Edit PDF modes. First, select the text you want to underline, just like before, either by highlighting in Edit mode or using the Comment tool if you're marking up someone else's document. Then just press Ctrl+U if you're on Windows or CMD+U on your Mac. That's it. Your chosen text will be underlined right away. This shortcut is fantastic for speed. Think of it like using bold or italics in Word with one tap. So if you're working through a long PDF and need to underline several sections quickly, this trick is a time saver. And there you have it. You now know how to underline in Adobe Acrobat, using both the thorough formatting approach and the time-saving shortcut. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's a specific Acrobat feature you'd like to see in a future video. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.